A burn to learn. Students in the firefighting program at Bluffton High School are learning about structure fires and watched as this model home went up in flames.
It just really surprised me instantly when he put the flames in there. There was smoke all coming out. It grew fast, not crazy though, it wasn't instant, but it was crazy seeing how actually fast it was.
For this cross-curricular project, students taking a civil engineering and architecture course built the model house that was set on fire.
A lot of the structuring techniques that we learned is through different types of nails, screws, and different densities of wood like 2x4s and rafters, especially with the roof through shingles and OSB panels that we've had used. But with the fire, seeing it burn it down so quickly, it scares me a little bit on how house fires happen so commonly and how terrifying they can be.
As the structure burned, the firefighting students were studying the flames, identifying the 4 phases of a fire.
And the first one is incipient. That's when it starts. That's like when he was putting the pine straw and the first bit of smoke you saw. Then the growth is right after that. That's when you start to see a little bit of flames. You can see when it's like in there, and then really that fully developed was after he put a hole in the window. Then there's the decay when it's got all the flames burning. You can see it going down. It's all charred up.
Before building the model home, the engineering students used computer software to create their design.
What we use is Revit AutoCAD 2024, the newest one. It's a 3D software that we use to basically model structures, and it's very complex. You can go down to the nearest 1/8 of an inch and to the nearest material. And then we use these 3D softwares to build hands-on models, like little house models and even models for the shed. Like with the shed that we just burned down, we created it on this 3D software.
This project also allows the firefighting students the opportunity to work on their hose skills and techniques by putting out the fire.
We really use fog patterns. Within the coupling of the hose, we attach a fog nozzle, and that nozzle contains a twistable front, and it can open up, creating a wider spread. When you get closer to the fire, it gets more area, and it can create a straight stream, which when you go straight through a window, it'll take out that fire and attack it easily.
This is the 5th year the classes have teamed up for the live fire burn project. At Bluffton High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.